Now this is how to use the usage video. Okay, this arrow does not repaint, this arrow does not repaint, but this political band, it extends. Okay, so it depends on where you put your stop loss. Your stop loss will be your stop loss will be above the previous high. Okay, your stop loss is here, your entry is here, previous high, your entry is here, and your take profit will be, the take profit will be double. I need a box, I need a box here. Okay, rectangle. One, two. So this will be your take profit. Once you see this line touches this zone, okay, you can even use it to scalp. Okay, once this Bolivian bounce touches this zone and you spot the arrow, you take it, you take it. So it will be in a situation that this line, once you spot this arrow, this line might go up again to touch this line. Okay, it might hit your stop loss just like this. You can see that it went up again, touch this line. Once you spot another arrow, red arrow, you take it. Okay, you will be in a situation too that if you are back testing, if you are moving back, this line might be up. Is because this line does not touch this zone before going up. So assuming now you are taking this, if you take this arrow, your stop loss, your entry is this, your stop loss is this, sorry, your stop loss will be here. You can see this. Will be 1:2 risk ratio reward. 1:2, 1:2 risk ratio reward. You can see stop loss and to take profit. You can see the situation that this does not touch it. That's the reason why it's moving. So this touches this line, you take the arrow here. You can see this touches this line, take it from here. This touches this line, take it from here. You can see as far as the line is moving away from it, you know that, okay, you know, if you are back testing, so this arrow, this line touches the zone, you take it. You have 90 and 10. Line touches the 90, wait for red arrow. Blue Bolivian bounce touches the 10, wait for blue arrow. Line Bolivian band touches the 90, wait for red. Bolivian band touches the 10, wait for blue arrow. Buy, sell, buy. Red for sell, blue for buy. Okay, you can see it moved away, so that means it doesn't touch this. You see, it touches this, you take your entry from here. Your stop loss will be here, the previous low. Your stop loss will be here, and your take profit will be double of it. Let's see, the stop loss is here, from here. We can use trailing stop too. trailing stop too, a little before it hits, so you can use trailing stop too. So that's it. It hits this line, your stop loss will be here, your entry here. Now, okay, sorry, my mistake. This arrow, sometimes it does not paint at the close of the candle. It might paint at the beginning of the candle, so it does not repaint. The arrows might move. No, I won't say move. Okay, assuming now this arrow appears at the beginning of this candle now. So as the arrow went up, this arrow might follow the candle up. So once the arrow candle closes, it will stay there. So you can even take it at the beginning of the candle. So the arrow appears anywhere as far as the candle is there. So the arrow does not repaint like this now. Okay, let me show you an example here now. Show you an example. Okay, this. So arrow appears here. The candle opens here. You know, this is a red candle and this is a buy arrow. The arrow appears here. The candle opens here, and this arrow opens with the candle immediately. So this might have a drawdown before it closes, or you can take the candle immediately it closes. Once it closes, you take the candle. So that means it's called sniper entry. Sometimes you can even use only this strategy. Wait for or this kind of strategy, red arrow with blue red candle with blue arrow. So it depends on how you want to use it, but this one I'm telling you now is legit. Okay, this one, take it from here, this zone, take the arrow from here. So this zone, take the arrow from here. So this arrow and this arrow are the same. They are the same. So it's just like, I just want this as your entry so that is boldly seen. You can see it on the chart. So it's still the same indicator that is on both windows. So it depends on how you want to use it. So an update is still coming on this. So just an update won't be charged. It will be free. Okay, won't be charged. It will be free. It won't be charged. It will be free. All right. Okay, see another here. Take it from here. Very simple. Take it from here. Very simple. So that's 15 minutes. Works on all time frames. I prefer 5 minutes because it's fast. So that's it. Thank you and God bless.